Rogongorwa Nyanza ane mono asensemeria aya Lake Region ni gobono Serikali Block Region ni gobono barokane komochia ba governor ane mono asogota watokero chibase cyabo yema ikaje bunge ya Seneti kunyara kumulekerengana ejo n'abanyarwa kano chibase cyo korengana n'abanyakonda bukorwa Nyanza Lake Region Block ni gobate birongo kirabone gani ko bakujidai iki serikali cye kaunti asorogongo gwetani chibase agitetani ti a billion ya yema sabagote bunambanye wakano chibase cyabo igobanyarre ko boli gobanyarre ko sikogo chika kurwa aba Seneti bakono chibashya ubunenchire mu yo konyara kwegendera gati yabo niko batebira ubunemeremo yabo ngo yarokane ko tegara mayigaso ikaranye maganiyo yegenka kubaze kana bunese keke county nchira abakana chibasa cyabo ko pending bills isarasoka kwikabono.
The Lake Region Block Contractor and Supply Association hereby demands that county governors to 1 publish and pay all the bills which has been verified and found to be eligible and amounts to 1 billion and below before end of the current financial year, that is 2023-2024. Number 2, governors to publish all the bills which has been verified and found to be ineligible in their respective counties. Number 3, governors to strictly pay the eligible bills approved by the controller of budgets without diverting the same to other commitments. And that the control of budgets, that is the COB, to 1, ensure governors prepare and submit payment plans, prioritizing payment of pending bills as a first charge on the county revenue funds, that is CRF, failure to which the subsequent budget releases is declined.
Eroiga tuacha, unabanto bare klicho, tuacha gotebania mangana ye pending bill. Amangana yechibesa chiria abanyakonda bakorire batanya gwakanwa biyamona se Seneti yaito mwanchete mugaitia bande mugatebaiga oika 31st of June chibesa chinyaka bachigwakanwa nasabira bagawa na baito bonse baliyo yasimwabeta akana abanyakonda egeremna Seneti yatebete ande biyamona sengencho amasabo y'abanyakonda abayiga igwe kanire bachandikire igo tuango tebye abantu baminto bali bali isiko musabere serikali yaito musabere aba contractor Lake Region yebwate 14 counties abaiga nebiongozi members bachagaga igo tora abange mono lakini tuamanya gocha abantu abake asenge njoja kotebya abande ngikiagendere nana gaito ikire na bali batagete go join our Lake Region abantu baminto mwanchire go soa asekyombekega moge choine moge enderere numuko manyanga iki county kili chikogendera uchuma peymate uchimigori uchibuzia abantu muchiche mutare contract on the points ole member nabo goita ochore cheste a procedure na mugo tobori atobatebi
na umukonyo muri wenserika tigashagwa ni gabo regati